Are you looking to boost your Udemy course sales? As a course creator on Udemy, mastering the act of Udemy coupon creation is essential. And so in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of creating coupons on Udemy as an Udemy instructor from start to finish. So let me assume I want to run a promotion on one of my course. Let's go with technical writing. I will click edit stroke manage course. After it opens, you go to promotions. You can do this with your mobile phone, you can do this on desktop. There is no difference. You go to promotion, then you scroll down, you can see I already have 2 coupons free for this month. Every month you are given 3 free coupons to use as an Udemy instructor. Use it however you want to use it. I already have one running here. You can see this one. This is a free coupon. So far, 6 people has already used the link. Remaining days is 20 days. That is time remaining. So if I want to create a new coupon, I just click on create new coupon. Now let me explain the different type of coupon options. The first one is $9.99. Let's assume you want to run a promotion for your course for $9.99. This is the one you're going to use, but it only allows you to use it for 5 days. It is unlimited, so 1,000 people can take it, but it only lasts for 5 days, and you can only sell that particular course for $9.99. While this one here, we have the custom price. This one range between $14.99 to $19.99. This is the one I mostly use. Unlimited redemption, and it expires in 31 days. This is the one I normally use, and I'll always put my own course either in $14.99 or $16.99. The reason I love this is because it expires in 31 days, so I can run this promotion for a month, while this one only lasts for 5 days. This one is mostly used when you want to give out free access to your course. You want to give 1,000 people free access to your course. You can see this one has 1,000 redemptions. This one there is no limitations. The same with this, but this one only 1,000 people can take the course, and it expires in 5 days also. This is what most course creators use to promote their course, to boost their course for free review and free enrollment. It expires in 5 days. It gives you access to allow 1,000 people to take your course. And this is the one I mostly use. Yes, this one is 100 redemptions, which means only 100 people can take your course, and it expires in 31 days. This is the one I mostly use for my own. I don't want everybody to take my course because the day I tried this 1,000 redemption coupon link, a lot of people took the course, but they did not drop review. So the reason I use this one is because I do share my course link with my cycles, within my cycles. So these are people that know me, and I know them. If I drop this one on Facebook groups or LinkedIn groups or Quora, I end up getting people to enroll in my course, but at the end they don't drop review. Only few of them drop reviews, and which I don't really like. To me, review is more important than the enrollment. So if I can get 100 people to take my course and the same 100 people, or at least 8 to 70 people drop reviews, I am good with it. So let me click on this one so you can see it for yourself. Okay, let's start with this one first. Let me click on this. Okay, you can see set your price. It begins at 40.99. So I can take mine to 16. I can take mine to, you can see it is showing red because it wrote please enter a price above 14. So you have to enter a price above 14, which can be 16. You can see it's not good to go. Then end date 31st of March 2014. You can choose to edit this code and just use something like March 16th or March $16, or just the date it will expire, which is March 31st. So this can be just the coupon code. Then you go to review, then you can see everything here. So start date 29 February, which is when I'm recording this video, then it end March 31st. So you click create coupon, the link will be created, then you can share the link with whosoever you want to share it with. This is a promotional link, which means you are selling your course for $16. So when sales come through this particular link, you get 97% of the sales, while the remaining 3% goes for transaction fees. Yes. So when someone buy through your link or through this link, you get 97% of the sales. 3% part of it goes for conversion fee and transaction fee. So that is just the one advantage. Let's look at this one. Okay, so this is a free link. There's no need for price. You just edit your coupon code, or you can leave it like this. It is optional. You can see it right now, optional. Then you click on review. You can see 100 redemption, which means only 100 people can take it. End date and everything. If you click create coupon, the coupon link will be created. You just copy it and share it within your cycle, or share it on Facebook groups or wherever you want to share it. If you take a look at my own here, this is 6/100, which means only 6 people have taken the link. So I have like 94 people to go to take this course before 20 days expires. So there you have it for this video. This is how you can learn how to customize your coupons to offer irresistible discounts that compel students to click that enroll button. Hit the like button if you found value in this video, and if this is your first time of landing on my videos, I will advise that you subscribe to this channel because I have a lot of content coming, and you also need to go check out my previous video because you will find value in most of them. All right, thank you for your time and see you in my next video.